What's up guys, I'm Kyle.
And I'm Hayley.
And we're here in the beautiful Philippines.
With Jetstar Australia. We've just arrived on the beautiful island of Boracay. We took a direct flight, Jetstar's very first direct flight from Australia to the Philippines. You can now fly direct from Perth to Manila and Brisbane to Cebu. We are about to check into our hotel, the Mövenpick here in Boracay. I'm really excited. This island is beautiful. Let's get going.
Alright, so for our first full day here in Boracay, we're doing a private beach yacht experience with Klug. We're going around the whole island today. The sun is shining, the water colour is insanely blue.
Wow.
This is going to be insane. I'm excited. Let's go.
First stop is Crystal Cove. Apparently we're getting taken to some beautiful caves, so let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Second stop, we're on Magic Island, and this is the spot where you can cliff jump. There's all different levels. I might start on the smaller one.
No, that's too small.
That looks fun.
No, we're going to send it.
There's like really high ones.
11 metres, here we go.
Michael's going.
Okay, so this morning we've taken a 20-minute boat ride from Boracay to Alegria Island. We're about to do like a quad biking ATV experience through the jungle here, followed by a bit of ziplining, which I'm so keen for. Let's do it. How you feeling, Lee?
I'm feeling good. I'm looking forward to a lay down, to be honest. It's going to be awesome. It's not every day you just, get to zip out of here and do it while you're horizontal. So it's going to be a heck of an activity.
And what's better than being standing up?
Laying down.
Laying down.
Exactly. Yeah. That's good.
But I prefer to be on my back laying down, not on my front.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you could do it.
Ask him if you can.
No.
Boracay is famous for its mangoes. We tried some mango yesterday and it was probably the best mango I've ever eaten. But they're actually really famous for their mango smoothies, and I'm going to give it a taste. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Also the straws are made of rice and you can eat them. I mean, doesn't taste good to eat them, but you can eat them. Sunset was so beautiful. Wow. We are about to go to dinner. We're at the beachfront here in Boracay. We're having dinner at Maya's, just up here. Beach views. I'm so excited. The food looks unreal. The food is elite. We have tuna tataki. I'm gonna give it a little.
That's actually wild. How can
The ceviche
When I got there on the day, that's when I could give it time.
Out of this world. Really good food. Our first stop of the trip was Manila because we caught the first direct flight from Perth, but we didn't stay in Manila. We caught a flight to Boracay, which was beautiful, as you've seen on the earlier in this vlog. But now we are in Cebu. We flew from Boracay straight to Cebu, and we're going to be here for 2 days. We've got some really fun activities planned, but tonight we're going to have welcome drinks at our hotel, the Sheraton, and hopefully there'll be a sunset.
Ending our day at the Sheraton at the Buhi Bar. A couple of rum-based cocktails with my friend Lee. And yeah, just really enjoying it. It's been a fantastic day again. And that's about it. The following morning we woke early to leave the Sheraton Cebu to make the journey to Alegria. Alegria is a quiet coastal town in southern Cebu known for its waterfalls, rivers, hot springs, and of course its world-class canyoneering, which we were about to experience. Alegria is a perfect place for travellers who want peaceful, authentic nature adventures away from the crowds, and it also boasts some of the friendliest locals I have ever met. The people in the Philippines are already friendly, but I felt like Alegria, the people were so happy, so nice. They put on this massive dance performance for us arriving. It was really, really special and one of the best days of the whole trip. But anyways, back to the canyoneering. This was so good.
Okay, we're just about to start the canyoneering experience, but as you can see, we're all PPE'd up, ready to go. This has been the funniest experience. I think this actual trek through the jungle is going to be beautiful though.
It's going to be nice. Like I said before, I'm so excited for this.
Yes.
So unfortunately, our trip to the Philippines is coming to an end. We're just checking out of our stay here in Cebu. It's been literally amazing. This place is unreal, but we're about to make our way to the airport now, and we're actually taking the inaugural flight from Cebu direct to Brisbane. So a nice little way to end the trip, but we hope you guys have enjoyed the Where Next video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.